Everyone thinks the best-selling marinara sauce is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Mr. Lummy's Cookbook. First up is the Marinara Sauce Recipe and More Cookbook by Mr. Lummy Kari's Garetta. At just $8.99, this book caught my attention because it promises a simple, homemade marinara sauce that beats any store-bought version. If you want an easy way to whip up a delicious sauce, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook is perfect for anyone who feels overwhelmed by complicated recipes. With just 10 basic ingredients, you can create a fresh, flavorful marinara sauce that's way better than anything in a jar. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The simplicity means you can easily impress family or friends with minimal effort, and you won't have to worry about weird preservatives or additives that often come with store-bought sauces. Now, some people complained about the lack of more elaborate recipes. Here's the thing though, if you're just getting started or want a no-fuss option, this straightforward approach is a real strength. Sometimes less is more. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who wants to keep things simple without sacrificing flavor. Skip this one if you're looking for a gourmet cooking experience, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for a broader variety of sauces, the next one on my list might actually be even better for you.
Product number 2, Delicious Pasta Sauces Cookbook by Lisa Day, priced at $15.98. What caught my eye here is its promise of authentic Italian pasta sauces, including marinara, that are budget-friendly. If you're after a treasure of sauce recipes, this book is definitely worth considering. What's great about this book is how it caters to busy home cooks and beginners alike. It features easy step-by-step recipes, which means you can create everything from classic marinara to creamy Alfredo without feeling lost in the kitchen. The family-friendly aspect is huge. You can whip up meals that everyone will love, from picky kids to discerning adults. Plus, there are healthy options without the unnecessary additives, making it a win for those health-conscious cooks out there. On the downside, some users felt the recipes lacked advanced techniques. However, here's the twist. If you're just starting or want quick meals, this book is perfect. It's all about making delicious meals without the stress. This is perfect for you if you want variety in your sauce repertoire without complicated recipes. Skip this if you're looking for high-end culinary techniques, but for the price, you're getting a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might be even better if you're a fan of store-bought sauces.
Product number 3, Homemade Pasta Sauces Cookbook. Coming in third is the Homemade Pasta Sauces and Toppings Cookbook by C.S. Christophs, which is currently free in Kindle edition. This intrigued me because it offers a wide array of sauces, including marinara, and you can't beat that price. If you're on a budget but want to explore various sauce recipes, this is definitely worth a look. The cool thing about this cookbook is that it features easy homemade recipes that can be made from items you likely already have in your pantry. This means you won't have to run to the store for special ingredients, which is a huge plus for many home cooks. It's like having a little Italian restaurant at your fingertips without the cost. Plus, you get to customize the flavors to your liking, which is something you can't do with pre-made sauces. However, some users mentioned that the formatting of the Kindle edition was off, making it hard to follow along. Here's the thing though, if you're tech savvy or don't mind some minor quirks, you'll find delicious recipes that are easy to follow. This is perfect for you if you're looking to experiment with homemade sauces without spending any money. Skip this if you prefer a physical copy or need polished formatting, but come on, it's free. Now, if you're looking for something that you can just grab off the shelf, the next option is something you should check out. Product number 4, Rayo's 32-ounce marinara sauce. Next on the list is Rayo's homemade marinara sauce, a 32-ounce jar that brings the taste of Italy right to your kitchen. While the price varies, it's often seen as a premium option. If you want a no-fuss, quality marinara sauce that tastes homemade, this one's worth considering. What I love about Rayo's is that it uses all natural, premium quality ingredients, like 100% Italian tomatoes, olive oil, onions, and fresh herbs. This means you're not just getting a sauce, you're getting a rich, flavorful experience without the added sugar that many brands sneak in. It's perfect for those who are carb conscious or following a keto diet. Plus, the slow-cooked process ensures a depth of flavor that's often hard to find in store-bought sauces. However, some folks have said that it can be a bit pricey compared to other sauces. Here's my take. While it may cost more, the quality and taste you get are worth it. If you're someone who values flavor and quality, this is definitely a contender. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and tasty meal solution without sacrificing quality. Skip this if you're on a super tight budget, but for what you get, it's worth the splurge. Now, if you want an even more convenient option, the last product takes things up a notch.
Product number 5, Rayo's 24-ounce marinara sauce. Finally, we have Rayo's homemade marinara sauce in a 24-ounce bottle. Similar to the previous product, but in a slightly smaller size. This one is also known for its all-natural ingredients and delicious flavor. If you're looking for a slightly less expensive option with the same great taste, this is worth checking out. Just like the 32-ounce jar, this sauce is made with 100% Italian tomatoes and contains no added sugars. It's still carb-conscious and keto-friendly, making it a solid choice for health-conscious eaters. The versatility here is fantastic. You can use it over pasta, in lasagna, or even as a dipping sauce. It's like having a homemade sauce without any of the hassle. One downside some have noted is that this version often runs out quickly in stores. However, if you find it, it's absolutely worth stocking up. For those who appreciate quality without the commitment of a larger container, this is a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want a quality sauce that's easy to use in various dishes. Skip this if you're looking for a larger quantity at once, but it's a fantastic option for quick meals. In conclusion, we've covered a range of options, from cookbooks to ready-made sauces. Whether you want to create your own marinara or grab a jar for convenience, there's something here for everyone. To wrap it up, we explored a great mix of marinara sauce options. From Mr. Lummy's simple cookbook to the convenience of Rayo's sauces, there's definitely something for every kind of cook out there. So whether you want to whip up your own or grab a jar, you can't go wrong with these choices.